Today I am starting a new series explaining how to make money from this market for the basic investors or basic traders. When I say basic investors or basic traders, what I mean is people who do not have much market background or experience or even knowledge. Even a novice should be able to understand what I'm trying to explain and how to make money. Of course, it's not going to be over in one day. It is going to be a series of discussions or series of videos where I am going to explain the intricacies of it is easy to make money from this market. Today, let me start with a discussion on how and when we should invest, or how and when we should trade, when we should go long, when we should go short. Once I start this particular thing, as we go on, I'm going to explain even the basics. But for today, I'm going to explain why it is important for us to have various historical data to trade. For example, let me display a chart that you may like to see and decide whether we should be using the historical evidence, historical data for trading. For example, this particular chart here shows what happened in last 10 years in October series. The historical evidence proves that except in October 2018, all the other years, October series has ended in green. Reason being, October is the beginning of third quarter. Also, the festive season, people probably are in good mood. People start buying for the second semester. There is more inflow to funds, etc. So the market normally ends up in green in October series. You have seen the October series here. You have seen that year after year, of course, except in 2018. Of course, 2018 October, when you are saying from March 2017 to January 2018, and again till August end 2018, market had made a series of all-time highs. From March 2017 to January end 2018, Nifty had made more than 60 plus all-time highs. And it started going down from there, and again it picked up, and till August end, it made another few all-time highs. That is why Nifty was coming down after August end. So September and October was in the middle of a downtrend there. So today I have just tried to show you why we should use historical data to trade or invest. Because by looking at this particular thing, we have no doubt that October is a good month to go long. We will take up further next time. Every day I would like to hold talks with you. For the time being, let us close it here. See you tomorrow. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like our channel as well as NiftyIndicators.com. And if you have any query, if you have any doubt, or if you want any explanation, or if you want to learn how to make money from this market, please don't hesitate to call me on the number shown here. My name is Shanoy. Kamalnath Shanoy is my name. I would be happy to explain you why it is easy to make money, how it is easy to make money, how to make money. Take care. God bless.